Update video 235 Center Road. I wanted to show you what we've done. So everything's in for the boxes here. And I already got approved through the insurance, as you know. So here's all your new boxes. Looks really good. And there's your public one there. And then we got all this stuff cleaned out here. And you can see this is pretty much done. We're getting all this, so we should have everything completed here next week on the storage units. So we're pretty excited about that. So that'll be done, and he's going to come by and do the quote on the back to paint all that. And you guys want to say hi to Thomas?
Hey Thomas, hi.
They're not as they like the place. They said, so we're gonna get all this quoted here to paint around the here and all that. So we'll get all that done. Here's the trash we're taking out of there, just so you know. So anyway, this is your update video. I'll do one more next week when we get the storage sheds taken care of. But it's all working good. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.